and very warm welcome to RAF This is Farooq Hussain. Suppose you want to catalog your library books or your personal book collection on a state of the art technology and you want to display that catalog online. You want to live your catalog, but you don't have any software, you don't have any server machine, you don't have any library system. So, what to do? Don't worry, I have a solution. I call it LibraryThing. We call it LibraryThing. What's on your bookshelf? LibraryThing is one of the social cataloging web application for storing and sharing book catalogs and various types of book metadata. It is used by authors, individuals, libraries, and publishers. LibraryThing was developed by Tim and went live on August 29, 2005. As on June 2020, it has over 20 million users and over 135 million books catalog. So it's grown up very quickly from 2005 to the 2000, the last month, June 2020. So it's grown up very quickly and very fast. So now let's talk about the features of LibraryThing. The primary feature of LibraryThing is the cataloging of books, not only the book but movies, musics, and other media by importing data from different libraries through Z39.50 connection. We all know Z39.50 is one of the protocols. So the connections and from 6 Amazon.com stores. And the library sources actually supply doubling core and mark record to library. User can import information over 4,967 libraries, including the British Library, Canadian National Catalog, Library of Congress, National Library of Australia, and Yale University. If a record is not available from any of these sources, it is also possible to input the book information manually via a blank form. So the cataloging and copy cataloging both are possible, and the copy cataloging can be possible from over 4,967 libraries. After the cataloging, items are classified using the TV decimal classification scheme. We all know about this TDC based on the out of the copyright 1922 edition of TV decimal classification. Each work may comprise different edition, translation, printing, audio versions, etc. So the possibility of this available, and the members are encouraged to add publicly visible reviews, descriptions, common knowledge, and other information about a work, rating, collection, and the tags help categorization. Discussion in the forum is also encouraged. So members are encouraged to add their views about books and the descriptions and the common knowledge, and they also encouraged to support the discussion forum. LibraryThink's social features actually have been compared a bookmark manager. This is one of the bookmark manager. We call it Delicious. It's online bookmark manager and the collaborative music service Last.fm. So you can, if you use LibraryThing, you will also receive this bookmark manager service and the Last.fm. So, and the most important about the social feature, your profile connect to the people who share your books and to everyone else on LibraryThing. And with over 20 million users and 126 million books in the system, you may find your similar libraries. You can write about yourself and your library, or you can actually keep your information completely private. So there are possibility available, and both possibilities are available. So after the features, let's talk about some related products. So if you are using LibraryThing, you may also listen about TinyCat. TinyCat is actually for small libraries like classroom, community centers, and churches. Uh, they actually designed TinyCat, which turns your library catalog, LibraryThing account into a simple professional online catalog, ideal for patrons, browsing, and celebration. This is actually one of the ILS, integrated library system for small libraries having collection about 20,000 books. So the support, the LibraryThing account will actually be done, but you need to subscribe to TinyCat. It's not free. LibraryThings for libraries, we call it synthetic unbound as well. For big libraries, they actually offer LibraryThings for libraries, opaque enhancement that makes your catalog more engaging and informative. So the another name of this product is actually Synthetic Unbound. Synthetic Unbound is actually provides a modern, attractive, and mobile responsive user interface for any and all online library catalogs. So you can enrich your library catalog with Synthetic Unbound. And the most important and the most, the biggest news actually, the LibraryThing is now free to all. No more membership fee or book limit or ads. I'll show you how you can actually create your account. So you just need a computer system with internet connection or an Android mobile or iOS mobile if you have. So this is actually the website librarything.com. It's actually LibraryThing, not LibraryThings. LibraryThing.com. So let me click here, or you can just write this address on your web browser. It's LibraryThing.com. So LibraryThing.com. I just click here and show you what is LibraryThing. So this is actually the main page of LibraryThing. So let's start from the beginning. The very first thing is actually the big news. The LibraryThing is now free to all. Read the blog and discuss the change on top. So let us read the blog first and I'll show you the rest of the LibraryThing. And you can see this is actually LibraryThing is now free to all starting today. And they said no more membership fee or the book limit or ads. And the LibraryThing has charged a fee to catalog more than 200 books. The $10 per year or $25 for a lifetime membership. And the all charges, the all cost or the limit actually waived now, and it's completely free of cost with unlimited number of books. So that's actually a very big news. And they have actually created two new products. One of them is Synthetic Unbound, and one of them is actually TinyCat. TinyCat is actually one of the old products with LibraryThing. Synthetic Unbound is actually with the collaboration of ProQuest. They actually generate this product with the collaboration of ProQuest. In Pakistan, one of my former university has subscribed Synthetic Unbound. I'll show you. We are the very first who actually subscribe Synthetic Unbound, and we have actually integrated Synthetic Unbound with Koha ILS. I'll show you how. Anyhow, so let's move on. So you can read more about this blog, and you can actually read the talk as well. What discussion available. So now back to LibraryThing. So there you can see this is actually the brief introduction about LibraryThing. We have already discussed this, and they are actually the features of LibraryThing. We have already talked about the features, and you can take the tour of LibraryThing. If you want complete details about LibraryThing, let me show you. So what is LibraryThing? We have already talked what is LibraryThing. And then next, on the go, this is about the iOS and Android app. If you are using Android phone, you can use this. You can download this LibraryThing app from Google Store, Google Play Store. So you can download LibraryThing. This is actually the images. or if you are using Apple phone, so you can use iOS app. Okay, and they move on, and they sign up. How you can actually sign up? There's a way out. Your home page, details about your home page. I'll show you each and everything. Don't worry. And your profile. We have already talked about the profile. What's on your bookshelf? Lots more actually. I'll show you few important things. There you can see actually we have not discussed this. So the library thing is also translated in these languages, but and they are actually in progress. Urdu is also in progress. I don't know what is just for fun. Okay. So if you want to join, become a member, you just click here join, and there you need to provide your username. Let me figure the form. Your username and the password, and you need to confirm your password and the email address and the either you are using for your personal use or for your organization. Okay. And if you are already a member, or you can join with your Facebook or Twitter account, or if you are already member, you just sign up here. So let me sign in here. I'm already using this product since 2012. So just click here to sign in. And now this is actually the dashboard of LibraryThing. So there you can see the home page and your books. You can add books, the groups, talks, locals, and more, and further information. This is actually home, as I said, and the profile. You can check your profile, your connection, recommendation, reviews, stats, even memes, cloud, authors, and there you can see about you, recommendation, books, reviews, community list, helpers, and unused as well. Okay, welcome to LibraryThing. This is your page, and you can show your catalog. I'll show you. Add books to your library, edit your profile, LibraryThing groups, add a member photo, talk, import books, short overview of LibraryThing, and the real online catalog for library for your library. This is actually about Tiny Cat. Okay. Here I have around 4,366 books. I actually use this product for one of my former university, and on that time I actually request in 2012 I actually request LibraryThing to subscribe this product with $25. But unfortunately, the PayPal is not available in Pakistan, so they actually granted me this as a complimentary on that time. Anyways, so since that time, I'm using this product with help of my two interns. Actually, I built this catalog for uh, one of my former universities. Not intended to name that university here. Okay. So there you can see your books. Let me show you. This is actually the catalog. And okay, if you can see this, and there you can search your catalog. Okay, let me bigger this size. This is actually DV number, ISBN number, the book cover image, the title, the author, date of this book, and the others, and the tags also. Tags is actually your about your subject. You can edit subject and the publications, the comments, and the date when you added this book. I just recently added this book, 3 books here. And move on. And there are lots of styles available to show your catalog. This address is actually your catalog address. So you can provide your user this catalog address and they can actually search the books, and this catalog is available online without any cost. And you can select the cover style as well. This is actually the cover style. And this one is actually the list style. In list style, we have uh, one A, B, C, and D style. I'll show you B style. This is actually the B style, and then we have other choice C style, D, and the E. There you can see actually how they actually working. And we have a number of tags. You can select tags, your library setting. So actually about setting. Basic, where you cover the where you provide actually the cover, title. You can select these style. I have select style A. You can select style B, or you can leave this for random and 20 books per page, 10 books per page, or whatever. Anyhow, so after your catalog is how you can add a book. I'll show you. And before that, I'll show you your profile. These are your tags actually. For example, books on marketing. These are the books available on marketing. Or if someone search marketing here, so he or she may reach to this book. We also add the shelf location in tags, but that's actually not a recommended way out. But that library actually use the shelf number like A1.1 and whatever. Okay. Anyhow. And there's your actually, let me show you profile. There's your profile actually. Here's my profile. And actually I can edit this profile as well. For example, okay, I am a 17 years old modern library professional. Now I am. This is actually very recent when I added it here. Okay, and don't want to add. It's so this way you can actually change your profile. So I actually update my profile here. Okay, so I have 6 collections, 189 tags, and I have 3,257 authors and 104 series. Anyhow, so there you can see the reviews. Someone review on that particular book, so you can check the review as well. Okay, so how you actually add a book here? It's quite easy. It's not a big job. Now, you can select where to search. Library of Congress, the British Library, UK, Amazon UK, Amazon All Media. Uh, this is not for books. This is for book, the All Media. Add your sources. You can add these sources as well. Anyway, or you can add manually. So let me select from Amazon.com books, and you can provide the title. If you can see this, you can provide the title, you can provide the author, ISBN, LC number, card number, etc. So just write the title, it's Library Technology. This is just a random thing. Okay, so there you can see the books are available, and you can actually, when you click on this question mark, so you can read more about this book. If the book is same, or if you provide the ISBN number, then the exact book will come out. For example, you are looking this book, or if you are looking this book for just an example, you just need to click here, and that's all. Now the book has been added to your collection. See, recently added, this book has been added, and you just need to add it further. And now you can change the details as per your library, as per your book collection. For example, you have this book, and if you want to add review, if you know about this book, you can add your rating as well. You can add your subject. For example, I said this book is about library. This book is about library technology. You can separate the tag with comma. Or this book is about library management. And you can write a review. For example, this is the best book I have ever read on library. This is just an example, not actually the real thing. Other author, if you know some other author, you can add. If this book has other author, you can add ISBN number, number of volumes. If there's some volumes, pagination already available. This dimension is also available. The size of the book and the weight of the book is also available. The language of the book is also available. Secondary language, if there's some secondary language, the original language is English. Reading date, when you have read this book, when you have acquired this book, and from where you have acquired this book, you can find. This is actually the DV number, so you can confirm this. Other call number, if you want to write some other call number, if you're using other call number, for example, if you are using bookmark, just an example, or you are using cutter, DTC cutter, so you can add DTC cutter as well. And you can add comments as well. Physical summary, the auto generate physical summary, you can actually, and you can provide your accession number, the barcode number here, the OCLC number, LCCN. In your system, your member, your entry date this, and the data source is Amazon.com. make a private. If you want to make this private, so you can actually, this is actually a beta for features, and save this. So whatever the changes you did here, all are saved here. Now you can see this book is available here. Let me show you. And if you want to check by cover, now the book is available. That's all. I mean, it's quite simple. Okay, let's see some other features. Or for example, you want to edit some books. Uh, just an example. If you want to edit this, you can actually. For example, you want to change this, just double click here, just double click here, double click here, and that's all. Anyhow, and one more thing, if you want to print your books collection, I mean, if you want to print your accession, or you want to share your uh, print catalog, so this is actually the features. There you can see printable catalog. This is your catalog in printable form. Simply print this page using your browser printing command. That's all. You can print your complete and entire catalog. Okay. And then this is actually the sort form. So you can edit the sort order. The present sort form is actually book title, and you can change this to author, and the up and down. The sub sort form would be book title, then sort them. Now you can see the books actually change. They're coming with author. Next page, all pages, and you can back to the old order. Anyhow, this is just to sort if you want to sort them. And then this is power edit off. So this is actually batch modification. So you can modify in batch if you want to. I think so. So you can actually select all books, select all books. So you have all selected. Select books on page. Just select all books. Change selected books, so you can change them. Collection, your library, your wish list, currently read, but unknown, private. Date book, those you have dated, media, language. Okay, lots of things actually. Need to explore more and more. Anyways, so let's see the groups here. The number of groups available, and you can take part with the groups, and you can discuss with the groups, and you can talk to them to solve your problem if you are working, or to share your ideas if you're using this product. So you can actually, so there you can see the 75 books challenge for 2020. I mean, they are actually some active group, Fine Press Forum, and the challenges, and lots more groups. Author groups also available if you're author, so you can join. Everything group is available. History, literature, mystery and suspense group read, science fiction, site related, lots more. And the group suggested, they are actually suggested group to me. And your groups, if you want to start group, you can start a group here. And talk is about the hot topic or all topics. So you can see, you can participate in any other talk if you want to. Local is about your local New York City, so you can change this to your city. More, there you can see the more things, more features, site and application. This is about TinyCat. We have already discussed TinyCat. I'll show you TinyCat here, and then widgets and the extensions. So let's see what they are. So the widgets available, so you can select them. You need to explore this more. It's quite actually enriched product. Anyways, import and export. So you can import your data, you can export your data and your account and your store. You can get book free get book giveaways available, or for early reviewers, and the member giveaway is also available. So you can check your account here. If you lost your password, you can recover your password. You can recover your member name. You can change your password. You can unsubscribe your email, whatever. Import and export. This is actually, so you can export as Excel if you want to, or you can actually import mark records if you want to. Mark records are a record format used by many libraries. LibraryThing handle all these standard mark varieties. So you can import mark record MRC file here, like you import in Koha, so you can actually do this. Anyways, so more about LibraryThing, the overview, virtual statistics, and the 25 most review books, and lots more things. Free books give out, so you can see this is actually, oh my. Anyways, so this is actually your account here. So let me show you TinyCat and then Synthetic Unbound. So this is actually TinyCat. We are not actually discussing TinyCat, just showing you what it is, how it's works. So you can actually watch this video. I don't have permission to play this video. It's YouTube video, and there you can see what is TinyCat, and you can check the price. If you are using TinyCat for personal use, just you and your books, so it's 100% TinyCat account free. But there are two categories also: volunteer and paid staff. So you can actually give $15 for per month, and there you have to pay $35 for per month, so more than up to 20,000 items, up to 20. For 1,000 items, $3 per month. Here you have $10 per month. Anyhow, this is actually the TinyCat if you want to have this. But the LibraryThing is completely free of cost product, And then we have synthetic unbound. This is actually synthetic unbound. I have already opened this. And synthetic unbound, library things, and the ProQuest, they both are working on synthetic unbound. This is actually one of the cataloging enrichment products. I'll show you this. And they are working with the TLC, British Library, Equilibrius, and Innovatives, and History Dialectics, and this is one of the systems. TLC as well. They are actually working with these products, and if you can actually use Koha or any integrated library system. So the synthetic unbound will work with any integrated library. So you can see how it's worked, and there's a complete video also available there. And if you just click here, you'll see how it's actually working. So and the system compatible system including Koha. There's a video so you can check it out. And now back to LibraryThing, and that's all about LibraryThing. I must say, if you want to join some state of the art product at zero cost, you must join LibraryThing. This is really good and enriched product. So you can display your library catalog or your personal book collection, or you can connect around the world. So that's all for today. And if you are a vendor or you want to support any of the Raffling video, so you can contact us on giving email address. Thank you very much. You are watching Rafflims. This is Farooq Hussain.